Got some new toys. Let's see, we got a 2019 Jeep Summit. Show the interior. Pretty clean. Girlfriend had to switch it up. I got the V8 in it. So pop the hood. 5.7. Intake K&N. Well, cold start. Stock is quiet as hell right now. And we got a little project car. A little gas car. 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth. Turbo in it. Manual transmission. It's a project. Show the interior of the Fiat. I already took the back seat out. Can't sit right anywhere, man. Get rid of some weight. You can hear the exhaust more in the cabin. Y'all can see that. Let y'all hear the little Fiat. Another thing, got something big coming to the channel. I'm gonna let y'all guess what that is. Still got the Hellcat. Actually, the truck, she dirty. Still got the Hellcat. But yeah, I see y'all notice I ain't got the Challenger no more. I got rid of it. I won't never driving it, man. It just sat there, so I chose to get rid of it. But I'm replacing it with something, and I'm gonna let y'all guess what I'm replacing it with. So I'm gonna give y'all 4 choices. Got a Cadillac ATS V coupe manual transmission, Corvette C706 manual transmission, a Camaro 01 1LE manual transmission, or a Hellcat Red Eye manual transmission. But yeah, remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.